Well, in the Ferrari world, you can see the street which has been designed as if it is an Italian street. So it is an excellent portrayal of what an artificial city would look like. But it is seriously, every minute details has been kept in mind. Regarding, you will find this such open restaurants in Italy only. So this also they have created, and there's a restaurant running over here which you can eating food over here. You can get an actual feel that you are in Italy or in a certain village of Italy. Yes, at the time of some functions, even the functions are carried out over here. There's a space for lighting also. Lighting is also good over there. Headlamps are mounted on the top, as well as giant screen is there. Maybe New Year celebration you might be celebrating over here. And apart from that set, have a look at this beautiful street. Well, racing coaster Fiorano Challenge. That is what we are seeing over here. And this balcony looks like the actual balcony. Actually, no one is staying over there because this construction is artificially created, but it is seeming that the construction is very original. Well, I'm getting a feeling that I'm walking to the Italian streets. Well, let's go and find out what's there inside it. See, even the balconies, even the flower pots are kept as if to get the real feel of the Italian street. Let's go and find out. I think so there are some slides over here. So rather than going for slides, we will explore the Italian street because I found it very lucrative. See, have a look at this logo. Well, this logo has been projected on the screen. Ferrari. And these are little children riding down the Ferraris. Today the crowd is very decent. There's no lot of traffic. Since being a weekday, see, this is what an actual Ferrari looks like. You get an opportunity, kids especially, to have a go at this Ferrari. Looks like a real Ferrari.
Any color you will apply.
No, thank you.
Picture, madam. For the photo, yeah, only picture.
Now there's a Fiorano racing coaster. Fiorano GT Challenge. I don't know what is it all about, but it seems to be interesting. Well, it's a big world. It's an okay. It is an F1 racing. You can actually drive the F1. Maybe, but it is chargeable. It might be chargeable for something dirhams. So we don't want to waste the money. Well, instead you can have a look of how this arena might look. I'll show you from a transparent window which is placed over here, and even I will see how does it look. This is an actual F1 racing. You can actually try it. You can actually try the F1 racing, but especially we are not interested. The beautiful wall paintings, every detail have been kept an account of, because whatever these people do, especially the sheikhs from Dubai and Abu Dhabi, whatever they do it very seriously. Have a look at the finishing of the lights. It resembles like an actual Italian marble. It's a good place when these rides are there for the adults, as well as there are rides for the children also. So means no matter of getting bored for any of them. Even the small rides, parents can have a sit, have a go at it with their kids, so that the kids also could feel good. My parents are enjoying it. See this street, looks like an original street. Well, there is an ice cream vending vehicle also placed over here, which also looks studio. Sorry, yaar. See here, small Ferrari is in the racing. Yo, red one wins the race. We keep playing. The actual windows. Sabatini, Savini. Even the few guys who are playing the violin over here, presently they are not playing the violin. In the studio, artist camp. Everything looks very real. Fermenta Rossi is also there, Libreria, Cavalleria, Circolo Privato. Everything looks very real. The house is also so very real. And have a look at this fountain. Damn, it looks very real. And even the wall is painted with the marble over here. Water coming out from the lion. And have a look at this building. This building seems to be very realistic. And have a look at this door. This door you might find, especially in the old movies, you can see, like vintage movies. How detailed this is, and it feels like a real wall. See this, it might be one. Who knows? See these lights you can see over here are placed for certain shows. This is the huge dome of Ferrari. So let's go in this Ferrari. Well, let's find out what's in there. See, this is how the engine of the Ferrari looks like. But this is a dummy piece of the engine. Have a look at the cylinders of it. The 1, 2, 5, 6 cylinders you can see of Ferrari. Seriously, man. It takes a lot to build this company. Ferrari. Every instrumentation, like the steering wheel, as well as the bonnet, the spokes, vehicle are kept on it for the display. These are the panels, color panels in which Ferrari comes. These were the old models of Ferrari. This is how the dashboard of Ferrari looks like. It is also a ride, I guess. This is also a ride, a Ferrari ride, which we don't want to try. Awesome. Guys, once in a lifetime opportunity to visit the Ferrari world. I don't want you to miss. Whenever you come to Dubai or Abu Dhabi, definitely give it a hit. And don't try to waste it. Well, it's your belief whether you want to go to the mosque or not. But if you're not interested in the regional places, then definitely this place is worth it. You will never know where your 6 hours have gone. So would recommend to visit this such a beautiful place that is Ferrari World for an amazing experience in lifetime. Crowd here too is very decent and very spacious it is, so you don't find the crowd to be very dense. Everyone is having his own time, his own space. You can record videos, you can sit idle, or you can take the your adventurous dream goes out to the next level. The slide which we have recently showed previously in this video are the world's fastest ride, and it is an amazing experience. So guys, would recommend whenever you go to the Ferrari world, try to record these videos and upload more such videos so that the people in the world should enjoy it. Okay, have a great time.